Ladies and gentlemen, we have just reached our cruising altitude of 32,000 feet, and we hope you enjoy our in-flight movie.
Miss, how are we doing on that headset?
I'll be right there, sir. Anyway, I got this check.
Excuse me, can I get a headset from you, please?
Do not raise your voice to me, sir.
I'm not raising my voice.
Okay, stay calm.
I am calm, I just want my headset.
Is there a problem, sir?
There's not a problem. This
Sir, calm down.
I am calm. What is it with you people?
You people.
I don't mean you people, I mean you people.
Sir, calm down.
I'm calm!
This court hereby orders you to undergo anger management therapy.
Anger management?
From Revolution Studios.
Apparently, Dr. Rydell has a history of unorthodox techniques.
Where should we put my stuff?
What stuff? I don't think you should be moving in with me.
In Europe, it's not considered unusual for 3 or 4 men to share a bed.
That's why I'm proud to be an American.
If you fail to strictly adhere to the rules of his program, you will spend the next year in state prison.
Learn to share.
How about a kiss?
I'd love a kiss.
I think she's talking to me, and I think I can handle it.
Keep an open mind.
I'm going to assign.
Here's my number. Oh, great. You're gonna...
Oops, that's a letter that I'm writing to Geraldo Rivera.
And embrace your emotions.
Temper's the one thing you can't get rid of by losing it.
How's anger management going?
Sandler.
Insane. La 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 la.
Nicholson.
I think it's pivotal for you to confront your childhood nemesis.
The guy's a monk. He's not even allowed to hurt a plant.
Do you think that's funny?
Don't shove me.
Anger management.
Wasn't expecting that from a Buddhist kid.
That was out of nowhere.
I wish I were, Dave. However, I did insist that we not go forward without your blessing, because we're best friends. So, what do you say, Dave? Is it all right if I date your ex?
And fart blossom and all this. Answer me, Buzznick! Did you get it on with my sister? Beast.
All right?
No, David!
Okay. Come on. Okay. We're even now.
Ladies, this is Buddy Rydell.
Oh.
Look, Dave, it's Buddy.
I see.
This is a bit awkward. I mean, group members are not supposed to get romantically involved.
Yeah, I agree with that.
You know that.
You know, I'd like to talk to you alone for a second. There's a rage control technique I'd like to go over with you right now.
Of course. Excuse me,
Am I out of line, Dr. Rydell, or is this guy pushing me?
Well, how do you feel, Chuck?
I went from happy to angry. Skip said, now I feel like kicking his ass. What? You think you're better than me? Because you've got both your nuts?
No.
All right, man, all right. Come on, big boy. Pretty boy. Woo!
All right. Is it worth going back to the penitentiary, Chuck? So he's laughing at it.
Goose flopper.
An anger ally to help calm you down when you're losing it. Chuck!
Yeah.
No, not Chuck. Give me Bobby Knight or the porno girls.
Hey, heard we're partnering up, huh?
Oh, yes, I heard.
Here's my number.
Oh, great. You're gonna die, bitch.
Oops, that's a letter that I'm writing to Geraldo Rivera.
On the mouth, which is totally not cool because it completely violates our threesome code of ethics.
So Stacy bit my toe off.
Yeah, and then Milo freaks out and calls me a crazy skank.
And nobody talks to my bitch that way.
That's right.
So I stapled his lips shut.
And then here we are.
Nate, listen to me. Stay with me, Nate. Now repeat after me, Nate. Goose fraba. Goose blah blah. Not blah blah, Nate. Goose ooze fraba. Goose fraba. That's slower. Goose.
Pernah nggak kalian meledak cuman gara-gara hal sepele? Atau sebaliknya, kalian kesel setengah mati tapi hanya cuman bisa diam dan memendam sendiri. Di film komedi Anger Management pada tahun 2003, kita diajarkan satu hal penting. Marah itu manusiawi, tapi kalau tak dikendalikan, hidup kita yang bisa jadi berantakan. Emosi adalah perasaan biologis dan psikologis yang mendorong kita untuk bertindak. Marah timbul dari pertentangan, kekecewaan, frustasi, atau harga diri yang merasa direndahkan.
What? You think you're better than me? Because you've got both your nuts?
No.
All right, man, all right. Come on, big boy. Pretty boy. Woo!
All right. Is it worth going back to the penitentiary, Chuck? So he's laughing at you.
I'm not laughing at him.
Goose fraba. Goose fraba.
Secara alami, marah adalah mekanisme pertahanan diri untuk menyerang hal-hal yang mengancam. Tapi, pernah nggak berpikir apa yang terjadi otak kita saat kita marah, saat ada ancaman? Sensor otak yang bernama amigdala langsung merespon secara cepat, memicu reaksi fight or flight. Reaksi ini seringkali mendahului prefrontal cortex, bagian otak yang bertugas berpikir logis dan menimbang keputusan. Otak kita akan melepaskan senyawa catecholamine yang memicu ledakan energi secara mendadak, diikuti hormon adrenalin dan non-adrenalin. Adrenalin ini bisa bertahan berjam-jam, bahkan berhari-hari. Akibatnya apa? Jantung berdegup kencang, otot jadi tegang, wajah memerah. Nah, seperti kata Dr. Buddy di film Anger Management, bentuk rasa marah itu ada dua. Yang pertama, anger outs atau explicing, di mana marah yang diluapkan keluar dengan cara berteriak, melempar barang, atau perkelahian. Dan yang kedua, anger in atau implicit, di mana marah yang diarahkan dalam diri dengan memendam kekesalan, memicu depresi, hingga membenci diri sendiri. Mengapa seseorang bisa sangat mudah sekali marah?
You get it on with my sister?
Over and over again. And she moaned like a wildebeest.
Wildebeest.
Oh! Now that felt good!
Wasn't expecting that from a Buddhist.
I'm a little pissed off now.
All right? Yeah.
No, David! David! Sorry. Help me, brother. Okay. Help me. Come on. Okay. We're even now. I went crazy. I'm so sorry. I started it. I'm gonna finish it. Now we're even, butt lick.
Berdasarkan materi psikologi dan humanisme, ada beberapa pemicu utama. Yang pertama, kurang tidur yang membuat otak lelah, memicu stres dan menurunkan produktivitas hingga emosi meledak bagaikan bom waktu.
And then next second we're laughing, and then just a quick 10-second kiss.
I thought that you said 5 seconds.
First it was a 5-second one, and then a little break because my beard gave her a tickle. She's cute.
Yang kedua, depresi, di mana rasa putus asa yang disembunyikan kerap keluar dalam bentuk ucapan atau perilaku kasar.
Nice to meet you. Oh, and I'd like you to meet my date. Ladies, this is Buddy Rydell.
Oh.
Oh, look, David's Buddy.
I see.
You know Stacy and Gina?
Oh, yes, yes.
Yang ketiga, merasa diabaikan. Sebagai makhluk sosial, saat kebutuhan interaksi tak terpenuhi, emosi negatif akan muncul.
Am I out of line, Dr. Rydell, or is this guy pushing me?
Well, how do you feel, Chuck?
I went from happy to angry. Skip said, now I feel like kicking his ass. Then we'll see who's laughing, huh? What? You think you're better than me? Because you've got both your nuts?
Yang keempat, faktor kesehatan, di mana kondisi medis seperti hipertiroidis atau kolesterol tinggi dapat memicu kegelisahan dan kemarahan.
It's a crap, huh? I mean, it's just a silly game anyways.
Oh, the anger sharks are swimming in my head. You gotta dump that shit! You gotta dump that shit! Oh,
Nate, listen to me. Stay with me, Nate. Now repeat after me, Nate. Goose fraba.
Goose blah blah.
Not blah blah, Nate.
Jika kita membiarkan tindakan agresif menguasai kita, dampaknya bukan hanya merusak hubungan sosial, tetapi juga kesehatan fisik seperti resiko hipertensi, penyakit jantung, hingga depresi. Anger management bukan berarti menahan atau melarang rasa marah, melainkan mengendalikan dan meluapkannya secara sehat. Terapkan strategi 3P ini. Yang pertama, prevent atau cegah, di mana kenali picu amarahmu dan pahami apa yang kamu sukai atau tidak. Yang kedua, prepare atau siapkan. Banyak lakukan positive self-talk seperti saya tenang, saya bisa, saya mengendalikan perasaan ini. Yang ketiga ada practice atau latih. Berhitung mundur mulai dari 15. Bayangkan tempat-tempat yang indah atau lakukan gerak-gerakan fisik sejenak yang ringan. Jauh dari sumber picu, ambil nafas dalam dan panjang, luapkan dengan tepat. Salurkan emosi lewat menulis, menggambar, atau berolahraga seperti berlari. Komunikasi kepala dingin, di mana bicara dengan sangat tenang, kemudian fokus kritik perilakunya, bukan orangnya.
1 second, Dave.
Huh?
Dr. B, let it bip. Well, hello. I shouldn't really talk right now. Well, I suppose.
Hindari kata selalu atau tidak, pernah dan fokus pada solusi. Bantuan profesional, jangan ragu ke psikolog jika emosi sudah merusak kehidupan sehari-hari.
Swimming in my head. You gotta dump that shit! You gotta dump that shit!
Nate, listen to me. Stay with me, Nate. Now repeat after me, Nate. Goose fraba.
Goose blah blah.
Not blah blah, Nate. Goose fraba.
Goose fraba.
That's slower.
Di dunia layanan atau di kehidupan sehari-hari, mengendalikan diri adalah kunci. Menghadapi orang yang marah butuh empati, mendengarkan, dan memberikan solusi tanpa emosi balasan.
Can I get a headset from you, please?
Do not raise your voice to me, sir.
I'm not raising my voice.
Okay, stay calm.
I am calm. I just want my headset.
Is there a problem, sir?
There's not a problem.
Sir, calm down.
I am calm. What is it with you people?
You people.
I don't mean you people. I mean...
Ingatlah satu hal. Orang hebat bukanlah mereka yang selalu menang dalam pertarungan fisik atau adu argumen. Tapi orang yang benar-benar hebat adalah orang yang mampu mengendalikan dirinya saat marah itu datang. Kelola emosimu, sayangi dirimu. Saya Ratna Diwahyuningrum pamit undur diri. Bye bye. Terima kasih.